Hi dear friends, we have a highway range of product named Roadcrete Macadam. Roadcrete Macadam is a fast setting, general purpose, instant bitumen based road repair macadam. The benefits of using Roadcrete Macadam are as under. It has excellent bond to bitumen based substrate. It has extremely low permeability which provides protection against carbon dioxide and chlorides. Roadcrete Macadam has high strength and is fast setting, easy to use. It is cost effective instant road repair motor and can be used for manhole cover. It will not peel, crumble, dust or crack. It is a permanent repair to spoiled and damaged concrete. Its freeze-thaw durability is better than normal macadam. Roadcrete Macadam requires minimum labor. The uses of Roadcrete Macadam are discussed as under. Roadcrete Macadam is used for permanent reinstatement of potholes, pockets in carriageways, footways, cycle paths, private drives, etc. It is also used for effective repairs around manholes. Roadcrete Macadam is a single pack bitumen based road repair macadam which is factory controlled, fully graded hardstone, coarse and fine aggregates, formulated bitumen and special additives. It is a fast curing, high strength trowel applied concrete designed for instant repair. Its rapid set characteristics allows a fast reopening of traffic. The product is chloride free and can be safely used in contact with reinforcing steel. This material can be applied in wet condition in the temperature range of -9 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Application of Roadcrete Macadam is as under. Apply the patching macadam to pre-treated area. Trowel like regular macadam until desired finish. The mortar can be placed in thickness of 45 mm to give a 30 mm compacted layer. After placement, no special curing is required in moderate ambient conditions. For laying, minimum 45 mm thickness is required. Roadcrete Macadam does not require curing process. The usage of road is within 2 hours after the repair. Roadcrete Macadam is supplied in 25 kg packs. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.